Hey guys, all of you know that if you replace modern BMW's car battery, you have to register the replacement using a scan tool, otherwise the charging of the battery will not be carried out in proper way. A friend of mine who also has the same X3 has recently replaced his battery the other day and asked me to register battery replacement. Okay, easy peasy. The only problem was there that he has installed a battery with a capacity smaller than was coded into his vehicle. This means that we will need to do some extra coding. We've hooked up the scan tool and went through the registration process. From the screen you can see that the coded battery capacity is 105 Ah and the actual installed battery capacity was 95 Ah. If you press the second menu item, enter battery exchange, higher-lower capacity, ISTA will offer you to code another battery capacity using ISTA P, but we are going to use E-Sys for this job. If you skip this coding step, then the battery charging will not be carried out in proper way. Start up E-Sys with the launcher and connect to the vehicle. Enter the CAS module, we will change one parameter. We have to select the closest capacity to the newly installed battery. As his new battery was 95 Ah AGM, we have selected 90 Ah AGM, since this was the closest one. Now code the module and let's check the results in ISTA. As you can see from the screen that the currently registered battery capacity is 90 Ah AGM. We have checked the states of charge after 5 days of driving and they became in order, all of them around 80%. Before the battery registration and capacity coding, those figures were around 40 to 50%, which is abnormal and that would cause the new battery's failure. So, to sum up the above information, try to buy the same battery capacity which is currently installed and you will only have to perform the battery registration using any of the suitable diagnostic scanners. If you will install different battery capacity, then you will have to do both code and register. That's it, and thanks for watching.